I'm Prince Dykes. This is Royal Financials. The meaning and vicious cycle of debt and ways to break the chain. I chose this topic because I know a lot of people struggle with debt and they're in a cycle and they don't realize that they're in a cycle. The beginning of the cycle starts with your parents. Your parents don't teach you how to handle money and they don't set you up for success in the future. When you graduate high school at the age of 18, where most people, the average American graduates, you graduate high school, they don't have anything to give you. They don't have any property to give you. They don't have any assets to give you, or portfolio, a business, or anything. They just say, hey, congratulations, move on with life. Work hard. So when that child goes, they face student loans, car notes, renter's insurance, things of that nature, rent. When they face those things, they fall into debt. They go out, they get loans, they get credit cards, they use them irresponsibly, and they continue on in the cycle of debt. And that child grows up, they do the same thing that their parents did, they pass it down to their kids, and the cycle continues. So that is the cycle of debt itself. How do you break that cycle? The first thing is stop buying things on credit. Second thing is pay off what you have in debt. The third thing is, for now on, start putting your money in assets versus liabilities. For example, you can buy a brand new car, or you can buy maybe 5 acres of land. I'm not saying don't buy a car, but you can say, hey, let's buy a less expensive car, and let's buy the money that I saved from buying a less expensive car, I can buy a piece of property. Now you have an asset, something that's going to grow value over time. You can still have the nice things in life, but you have to think of, hey, let's buy more assets, things that's going to grow value over time. That's how you break that cycle. You teach your kids how to handle money, and you give your kids assets versus liabilities. Instead of buying them all the toys and the clothes and the shoes and things of that nature, you can still buy it, but also shave some of the money off and put the things in assets. How would you feel now your kids are turning 18 and you have a piece of property to give them, you have a portfolio to give them, or you have a business to give them, things that's going to set them up for success? And that is the cycle of debt. That's the ways how to break it, and this is the ways to set yourself up for the future. This is Prince Dykes. This is Royal Financials. Don't forget to subscribe below.